Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix account suspended issues with X or Twitter. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to unsuspend your account if it's suspended on X or Twitter? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so why might my account be suspended on X or Twitter? We are in twitter.com's help page. So there are three main reasons. Spam. Most of the accounts are suspended because they are spammy. Account security at risk. If they suspect that an account has been hacked or compromised, they're going to suspend that. And this is, I don't know why not a lot of people are being suspended, but because Twitter is a cesspool of toxicity, abusive posts or behavior. Those are the reasons. So how to suspend your X account? Take steps to unsuspend your account. If you log in and see prompts that ask you to provide your phone number or confirm your email address, do so. If you're seeing a message that your account is locked, your account may also be temporarily disabled in response to reports or spammy behavior or abusive behavior. So do this, go help unlocking your account. And then lastly, you need to file an appeal and they might be able to unsuspend your account if your correspondence goes well. So yeah, those are the ways how to unsuspend your X account. Yeah, that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.